Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun Father's Day box card for you. This is my Happy Father's Day box card. Isn't that scene just so cute? You have that fun sign there in the background, and then the child learning how to ride his or her bike with their dad. Just so fun. I love the depth to it. It folds nice and flat. There's a spot on the back for your message. And of course I included envelope as well. This card is super simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. Now, if you don't have an account on my website, you can go ahead and click the sign up button. You'll be taken to a page that has our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. Go ahead and choose which option is best for you, and then you can go ahead and sign in. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'm going to go ahead and add my credentials and log into my account. And now we're logged into the website. To access the file library, you can go to the Files tab under the main navigation menu and click File Library, and then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 194. That is the Happy Father's Day box card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do a few things to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel, find the score line for the envelope, come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score, highlight that group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the outside box piece. Highlight the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. And lastly, we need to do the same thing for the inside tab piece. Scroll down the Layers panel, find the score line, change that to Score, highlight the group, and attach. So we have the score lines converted for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece. Once that's all done, go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mats for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'll be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So I have all my little pieces here in my blue tray. I'm going to push that out of the way just a little bit. So I have our outside box piece, and then this is actually the messaging panel. This is actually going to be part of the scene, which is why you can see there's been clouds cut out in the outside box piece. I'm going to just adhere the messaging panel to the back and that will create those clouds. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, you can see how that makes those clouds for the background. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold and burnish along these 4 score lines. I like everything to be facing me because we're going to be making the box. So I'm going to go ahead and fold those, and then I'll burnish them with my scraper. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the sun to the back of the box piece. And then I will set that to the side to go ahead and dry. Next we can go ahead and layer up the inside tab piece. So the darker green is going to go onto the lighter green. Now I know that these colors that I'm using are a little bit different. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help to visualize how to layer all of this together. So I will refer you to that. I'm going to go ahead and glue these together. Alright, so there's our Happy Father's Day sign. Now we can go ahead and fold and burnish those tabs on that inside tab piece. Okay, I'll set that to the side as well. And lastly, we can go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. Alright, there's our front cover panel. So set that to the side for a second. Now we can go ahead and put everything together. So with our outside box piece open, we can take our inside tab piece. I'm going to start on the left hand side. So I will add my glue to this left tab here. And I'm going to line it up with this second score line. Place it right before, making sure that I'm level on the bottom as well as on the right side along that score line. Okay. Now I'm going to add glue to the other tab, and then for this I'm just going to fold over that side of the box. Go ahead and fold the card both ways to make sure that everything is laying flat, and that looks good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add glue to this right tab. And take my front cover panel, and I'm going to line up the bottom and then line up that right edge. That looks good. I'm going to open up the card, and then we can add the glue to the left tab right here, and then we should just be able to fold that over and give that a press. Make sure to fold it both ways to make sure that everything is folded properly. And there is our Happy Father's Day box card. Isn't that so cute? Stands up nice. So cute. I'm going to set that to the side so that we can go ahead and work on the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to go ahead and fold and burnish along the score lines. Add glue along the outer edge of our inlay panel. I misjudged my inlay panel, so it cut off a little bit on the one side, but since we're just covering up that cutout, I'm not going to worry about it. It'll be our little secret because the person that's going to get this will think I did that intentionally. So we're placing the inlay over the cutout and attaching it to the flap. Now fold in our side flaps and add our glue to the bottom of those side flaps. Push up with our thumbs and press. And then that forms our envelope. Wasn't this one easy to put together? I think it's so cute and so fun, and I know that Dad will like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye!